Hi guys, it's Tamara Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have been well. So, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on. I appreciate it. I hope this gives you the motivation that you guys need. If you are not new, thank y'all so much for coming back. I hope you guys are ready for some cleaning motivation. So, without further ado, let's get to cleaning, guys. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start in my living room today, and I know it looks a little weird because my fall home decor video went up last week and it doesn't look like anything fall is going on in this house right now. And because this was recorded I think a week before that video was recorded, but I needed to go ahead and get it up, and I needed to go ahead and get it up because, you know, all my fellow content creators that do cleaning and DIYs and all of that, they have moved on to Christmas. So I needed to go ahead and get it up so that I can move forward. So I did want to go ahead and put this video up because I think it gives some great motivation, but that's why you don't see any fall in this video. So I'm basically just going to do the usual in the family room, just vacuum, dust, not too much going on in here, and then I can move on to the next room.
From my cell phone, sounds like it's your ringtone. I get chills when you call, wanna give you my heart, so I might talk all night long. Show me affection, attention.
Speaking of my fall decor, you guys, I hope that you guys were able to check out that video. If you were not, please go back to the previous video, click on that video and see the color that I decided to use this year to kind of tie in what we already have. I really liked using the dark color, the wine color that I used. It turned out beautifully, if you ask me. It was a little risk for me, but I think I really like it, and I may just use that, you know, color, you know, moving into Christmas. I'm not sure yet, but if you haven't checked out that video, I would really love for you guys to check out that fall video. I know you probably are already on Christmas vibes, but hey, Thanksgiving has not come yet, you guys, so I would love for you to go back and check out that video if you have not, and let me know what you think.
Tomorrow, forever and now, I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I'll give you my tomorrow.
Now we're in the dining room, and because we don't use this room, this is a walkthrough room, kind of sorta, unless we're having something here and we just need, you know, additional seating. So all I really have to do in here is just dust the table. I'm not going to do a deep dusting, meaning take all the glass down. It's just so much glass, and I get so nervous every time that I do it because I'm a little on the clumsy side, but I'm rebuking that. So I'm just going to dust just a little bit and then sweep in here, and then I can move on to the kitchen. So nothing new in the kitchen, you guys, just the same old dishes. So right now I'm just going through the coupons that come in the mail. We can collect these, y'all, so I have to be careful with what we save because they're usually in that drawer, and then I find myself pulling that drawer out, forgetting that I had, you know, some previous ones in there, and then it just begins to pile up. So right now I'm just going to get the clean dishes out of the dishwasher so that I can get the dirty dishes in, and that's kind of the bulk of it for the kitchen, y'all. This cabinet is still full of the memorabilia cups. I have not gotten around to decluttering that cabinet. That is our casual cabinet. Our you know, the cups that we'll just use for ourselves or whatever, but they all have memories attached to it, so it'll be hard when it's time to do that, but I've got to make room.
Now I'm just a mess. I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday, convincing me this cannot be, trying to find another way. Yeah, I think my head always knew it, but I didn't tell my heart. Let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me it fix whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me it fix whatever that's wrong. Isn't it funny how much you mean to me?
Y'all, just looking at this countertop while I clean, I mean, it just bothers me how much stuff I have on the counter. Like I said, this is a previously recorded video, so it is not present time what the kitchen looks like now. So I've made so much room by decluttering some of the stuff that's on the countertops, and it's just a little more cleaner, just clutter free, I feel, and I get more use of my counter space right now, so it does not look as cramped and crowded as it does in this video.
But I didn't tell my heart, let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me it fix whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me it fix whatever that's wrong. Yeah. So give me something now. Give me a fix, tell me it fix whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Oh, yeah. Ooh, give me a fix, tell me it fix whatever that's wrong. Yeah. I'm running away from, give me something.
So right now, you guys, I'm just taking a clean mop head, and instead of using the bucket all the time, I just feel it's good that if I just and easier if I just wet the mop head, wring it out, and then of course I'll attach it to the stick or the handle or whatever, and then either use some scrape mop or some sort of spray that I have for the floor cleaner, and I think it just goes by so much faster and easier than me trying to lug around, a bucket of water, especially for this size space. I don't think I really need it. Now this is our laundry area. I took some things down earlier that I just need to put back in the cabinets. I keep a lot of my craft items, DIY, stuff like that up there. So basically what I did is that little blue mesh bag, I keep all my cleaning rags in there, and then when it gets full, I just dump them in and wash them just like that. That's convenient for me. I am going to just dust off the washer and dryer because it needed it like desperately. So that is basically it for this video, y'all. I hope it gave you the motivation you needed to get up and get something done around your home. And like I said before, if you are new, I hope it gave you enough motivation to click that subscribe button and join me over here. So thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.